Welcome to IELTS 678. In this lesson, we will look at how to answer an IELTS Speaking Part 3 question from Band 6 to Band 8. You will hear how the answer becomes more natural, more detailed, and more flexible at each level. Here is the question. Why do some people prefer living in big cities rather than small towns? For a Band 6 answer, keep your idea clear and simple. Give a direct opinion. Use basic topic vocabulary. Add one short explanation. You do not need to sound complex. You just need to sound clear and relevant. In my opinion, some people prefer big cities because there are more job opportunities and better public transport. City life is also more exciting. Small towns are quieter, but they may not have a wide range of services or things to do. For Band 7, the answer should be more developed. You should explain your ideas more clearly. Use better linking. Add useful topic-specific collocations for IELTS speaking. This helps your answer sound more confident and more natural. I think a lot of people are drawn to big cities because they offer better career prospects and a wider range of facilities. For example, there are usually better schools, hospitals, entertainment venues, and public transport systems. Another reason is the fast pace of life, which some people find exciting and motivating. In contrast, small towns can feel too quiet or limited, especially for younger people who want to build a career or enjoy a vibrant social life. For Band 8, your answer should sound fluent, flexible, and precise. You should extend your ideas naturally. Use collocations accurately, not just more difficult words. The answer should feel easy to follow and well-developed. From my perspective, many people gravitate towards big cities because they provide a broader range of opportunities in almost every aspect of life. In terms of work, urban areas tend to offer stronger career prospects, higher salaries, and better professional networking opportunities. On top of that, cities usually have more efficient public transport, better access to healthcare, and a far more dynamic social and cultural scene. Some people also enjoy the fast-paced lifestyle because it feels stimulating and productive. By comparison, small towns may offer peace and a stronger sense of community, but they can sometimes seem restrictive for people who value ambition, convenience, and variety. Here are some speaking tips. First, answer the question directly. Second, explain why. Third, use natural collocations connected to the topic. And finally, try to extend your answer without repeating the same idea. Thanks for learning with IELTS 678. Practice the question out loud, compare the 3 band levels, and build your own better answers step by step.